Okay, here we are on the beautiful walkway where I met my friends from Wells, Maine. The sweet, sparkly water full of fishies. People cruising around in their wave runners. I'm down here on Treasure Island, hanging out with Mama Patsy for a few days, thinking about you all. Doing 3 laps. 3 laps from the doggy beach to the 7-Eleven. 3 laps is 7 miles. 2.7 miles, something like that. 2.5, 2.3 miles maybe. Anyhow, so I just had to say hello from the wonderful fishing spot. And there's Woody's and there's Blind Pass. Yahoo.